Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to talk about what we discussed in this chapter. Hope you enjoy this chapter. In this chapter particularly we focused on idea, like how to generate money out of idea, how to have business out of idea, how to create an idea, what should be our favorite way of creating an ideas, how to develop, how to elaborate our ideas. Also we focused how to test and validate our ideas. We discussed the different source of ideas, and we also discussed classifying the ideas in two ways, possessive and non-possessive. The entire chapter was focused on idea. Hope this chapter help you to understand that you are surrounded by the opportunity. All you have to do is to follow the course step and get into the business immediately. Thank you again for watching this course, and thank you for your attention. See you in the next chapter.